Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing essentials. Update airport utility on your device and gather your Wi-Fi name, password, and Apple ID so you won't pause mid-setup. Next, connect the modem's Ethernet to the airport Extreme WAN port and plug the base station into power. The LED will blink while it boots. Once the LED shows amber or green, open airport utility, this detects the new station automatically. Doing these steps first reduces errors and speeds configuration. Once detected, tap or click the new base station and choose Continue to begin configuration. Decide whether to use DHCP and NAT if the airport will route traffic, or bridge mode if your modem already handles routing. This prevents double NAT. Then set the network name, choose WPA2/WPA3 personal for security, and enter a strong Wi-Fi password. Make sure to set a distinct base station password too. This preserves management access. Apply settings and allow the device to restart to activate the network. After the base station restarts, verify connectivity with airport utilities status and run the built-in diagnostics to confirm internet access and client visibility. If a firmware update is offered, install it now and reapply settings if needed. Updates fix stability and security issues. If you encounter problems, restart the modem, then the airport, and recheck the WAN LED. A steady green indicates link. If issues persist, swap the Ethernet cable and confirm your modem is online. This simple sequence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.